I was working in a workshop one day building an engine. In comes rolling this old rusty Lambretta. I almost fell off my chair when the owner turned around and said, "Can you restore this?" On second look, I could see it was a TV175 series run, the ultimate of all Lambrettas. How could I say no? Basically, Innocenti were building open-bodied frames, cheaply made, up until 1958 when they decided to change the shape of it and constructed what they called the TV175 as a total break in design from all other models that were in the past and became the benchmark for other future Lambrettas. This TV175 that we restored was for a gentleman called Graham O'Brien. He imported it over from Switzerland. The thing was a basket case. It was completely unrestored, but in original condition. So it made a great example for a restoration. So we stripped the scooter back, itemised every nut and bolt. We salvaged basically 90% of every nut and bolt, rubber and trim on the scooter. We then sent all the nuts and bolts to be nickel plated as per original spec from Innocenti factory. When we restored this scooter back in 2007, the TV175 Series 1 was probably one of the most difficult scooters to restore as there was no information on them, nor any reproduction parts made. So we were left with the original carcass of the scooter to restore. As a result of which, we've ended up with a scooter that's almost 99% completely original from the factory. The scooter now has been exported to the UK with Graham O'Brien, who loves it and still rides it and is beautifully known as the Princess.